We are at Etina Bhuja.
If you're looking for a short, easy beginner level trek near Bangalore, then this is for you. Nestled in Mudigere, a small town in Chikmagalur, Etina Bhuja is a relatively easy trek perfect for beginners. In this video, I will be sharing the complete itinerary, booking details and all you need to know about this trek. Hey guys, my name is Kiran Kumnur and you are watching Little Detours. Mudigere is about 300 km from Bangalore and you can take the overnight buses and reach Mudigere by 5:30 am. अगर आपका प्राइवेट व्हीकल है तो आप एक दिन पहले आके मुडिगेरे में रुक सकते हो। आज सुबह हमने जल्दी उठकर होमस्टे से चेकआउट किया और रास्ते में बढ़िया ब्रेकफास्ट और कॉफ़ी पी के निकल पड़े हैं एतिना भुजा के लिए। माइंड यू देयर आर नो डायरेक्ट buses to Etina Bhuja, but you can hire an auto from Mudigere for 600 to 800 rupees.
So we are finally on the way to Etina Bhuja. We have started our trail here. So this is our first trek together.
Yeah.
The Etina Bhuja peak receives its name due to its sheer resemblance to Ox's shoulder. There are two routes to the Etina Bhuja trek. One is via the Nanne Bhairaveshwara temple, which is very easy and doesn't require any guide. And the other one is via the Shishila village, which is moderate and requires a guide.
You might have read some blogs from India Hikes or some other websites that you don't need to book if you are coming through Nanne Bhairaveshwara temple, but that information is wrong. You have to book the trek.
Now, to book your trek, go to Aranya Vihara official website by Government of Karnataka. Scroll down and select Chikmagalur district and Etina Bhuja trek and check for availability for your selected date. Now, click on book now, fill in all the details and proceed for payment. The fees for adults is 250 rupees on weekdays and 300 rupees on weekends.
So the time is 10:30. We are probably the last ones to climb this.
We need to climb there.
There is Etina Bhuja.
The first part of the trail was a simple mud road with small stones which seemed pretty easy. But as we continued the trail, the path got shorter and the forest around us grew thicker and greener.
Wow. इतना बड़ा पेड़ और लिटरली अप्रूट हुआ है, लिटरली। वाओ, मदर नेचर ब्यूटीफुल एंड फ्यूरियस सेम टाइम। अंदर So this part of the trail have to crouch and walk. We could see few leeches hanging onto our boots. There is one more hanging onto my shoes. As I speak, I'll show you. See?
Kiran.
ಬಾ ಬಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತ ಬಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಾ. दोस्तों लीच के चक्कर में पूरा भाग के ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ए किलोमीटर कितनों ने खून चूसा है पता नहीं, बट वी हैव मेड इट टिल हियर। यहाँ से दैट इज द एतिना भुजा पीक। यहाँ से थोड़ा इजी लग रहा है क्योंकि लीचेस नहीं है। लेट्स गो, चलो। We are almost at the Etina Bhuja. That is the peak, and come here. We started from there. That is the temple, Nanne Bhairaveshwara temple, and from there we hiked toward that white building. That's a small eatery, and from there we climbed up these mountains, up here, and finally we are here.
The last part of the climb is very steep and challenging.
देखो हेलो ऐसे।
I think this will give you a better perspective of how it looked.
ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕೇನು?
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥೋಡೆ ಅದ.
After climbing for 20 more minutes, we were finally at the peak. The view from the top was stunning and we could see the whole range of Charmady Ghats from up there.
ಏನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರನ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲ?
ನಂದು ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್.
ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಅದು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಭುಜ. Etina Bhuja. This is the trickiest descent. If I have to compare it to Skandagiri, I would say Skandagiri was a bit difficult actually, because it was very steep at a few places and the trek was also very long. This one is more fulfilling because you get to see a whole range of Western Ghats. You can see all the green mountains on all the sides. These guys while on the trek, so we are climbing down together. So if you are coming to Etina Bhuja, please carry some Volini or some salt or some Dettol. So finally the leech section is going to start.
Oh my god.
So we are all prepped up to run like crazy. How's the Josh?
Hi sir. How is the Josh? Hi sir. How is the Josh? Hi sir.
Exhausted running in this leech section, so everybody is sticking together. Hi. Friends, हो गया leech section तो हो गया. For 10 minutes we ran continuously non-stop. ಶೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಏ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟಿಗೆ
ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಖಾಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣದ ಬಿಡು. ಓಡ.
Yep, that's my wife.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಾ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು?
ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಒಂದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಮನೆಗಳೇ.
ಬನಶಂಕರಿನಾ?
ಕೋನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ನಾವು ಕೊಂಡಂಕುಂಟೇನೆ.
ನೀವು ಕೋನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಟೇನಾ?
ಇದು ಎಲ್ಚೇನಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೌದು.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಂಚಕಟ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
ಗೊತ್ತು.
ನಾವು ಸುಂಚಕಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ,
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು.
ನೈಸ್.
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಾಗ. ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಜಗಳ. ಅಯ್ಯ ಅದ್ರ ಕಣ್ಣು ನೋಡು, ಸೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥವಾಮ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ.
Guys, these are all childhood friends. They have put a tattoo on their hands. Torsi. See, this is 1/5.
2 ಇಲ್ಲ.
1/5. Okay, 2 is not here.
How to show bro? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Okay, it's here. 4. Okay. Nice. 5. Wow, super. ये देखो, she is stung by leeches. ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ತೊಳ್ಕೊ. To Etina Bhuja memorable trek.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು
ये देखो पुलियोगरे खा रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರ
Really
And it is
delicious.
actually delicious.
Delicious. Yummy.
They all are having puliyogare.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಗ್ತೀವಿ
Best. ಓ ನಿನ್ನೆವರೆಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ
ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬರೀ
ಓ
फुल लकी.
ಫುಲ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ.
तो आज का दिन तो बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा. एकदम बहुत मजा आया ट्रैक करके.
And we got a group of people.
एंड कंपनी में अच्छा मिला ऊपर जाके. रियली हैड ए ग्रेट टाइम. एतिनाबुजा विल रिमेन वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट्स. दोस्तों we are just heading back. We spotted a small stream. Looks very nice, very quiet. Nobody is here.
Hey guys, that's all in today's episode. Hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please hit like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.